bitch done left the keys in the fucking stove. Niggas these days.
Ain't this a
bitch? I had to take the keys out to get out this bitch. Woo woo.
Oh, you at gym?
Right here.
Yo.
SlimThugga in this bitch.
SlimThugga in this bitch, yo. Left their keys in this bitch. How you lose your keys?
I know I gotta take the keys out to get out the car.
Those bitches under the car, son. Cause you know for putting shit under on top of the car. You check on top of the car?
Look.
Cutting up.
You know this the third. Yeah, I left for him one day.
This nigga left his phone on top of the car.
How's it going, y'all?
Alright.
Better not lose your keys on the tour.
I'm not.
You know it. Go lie. What you know about it? Rollin' one deep. Ay. What you know about rolling with that pack on it? Facing charges already. 10 to 40. You know they try to get your numbers, you know, baseball numbers. What you know about rolling 1 deep with that strap on you? What you know about rolling 2 deep with that pack on you? What you know about rolling 3 deep on one tip? What you know about rolling 4 deep, 2 disappear? What you know about rolling 1 deep with that strap on you? What you know about rolling 2 deep with that pack on you? What you know about rolling 3 deep on one tip? What you know about rolling 4 deep, 2 disappear? What you know about me?
Making this good because I was on my savage shit. I ain't making this because I was on my savage shit, dude.
From the 17, jumped off the porch on the West Bank. Helen Street, I had it sold up. Jackson landed, had it pumped out. Kevinisa stripping, bring a paper bag. Jeremiah first son, never see him. Quan, I don't never see him. Seven's right here, that's my 3rd child. Take the care of his God child. Blaze not here, still in the wound. I got an open wound. I'm 100 niggas pocket watching, trying to stay from me before I catch a body. Hotter than the sun, I don't need your honor, niggas ain't eyes. I'm loyal, said to say I can't trust it, so around with the pole, with the work, so no said I'm a hot boy, no I'm not boy, I'm all gang, broken dreams, BFG, bank boy, I'm the landlord, hey. What you know about rolling 1 deep with that strap on you? What you know about rolling 2 deep with that pack on you? What you know about rolling 3 deep on one tip? What you know about rolling 4 deep, 2 disappear? What you know about rolling 1 deep with that strap on you? What you know about rolling 2 deep with that pack on you? What you know about rolling 3 deep on one tip? What you know about rolling 4 deep, 2 disappear?
Trapped out, narcotics on the back route. Tool on me for the moves. My dude wanted on the news. Father left a pair of shoes that I had to walk in. Fuck the opposition, chalk them. From the dark side, dark skin. Hardball, beat the beat. Mix the weed in the Hennessy. Only thing that can balance me chemically. Niggas tryna drain my energy. I'm super sad, go Lieutenant Lease. Snakes I can see, wouldn't wanna be. All I see is words, sign them on the pills. On the minor pills, Mississippi mud, down the bottle leaf. Just a boy drinking more pockets like some orange, yeah, they own bodybuilding. Tool on me, everywhere I go, bitch, I think I'm bodybuilding. Problem child from the Nile, sipping Red Sea, add a little muddy in it. 91 Finny, we ain't spilling it, we ain't getting no cutty in it.
Bitch said don't sleep on Tedz, but don't sleep on SlimThugga. No, man, I'm that like
through the mail, you gon' fuck it with me.
My slogan and shit. I'm gonna get that shit copyrighted, man. Don't sleep on Tedz, man.
What you know about rolling 1 deep with that strap on you? What you know about rolling 2 deep with that pack on you? What you know about rolling 3 deep on one tip? What you know about rolling 4 deep? What you know about rolling 1 deep with that strap on you? What you know about rolling 2 deep with that pack on you? What you know about rolling 3 deep on one tip? What you know about rolling 4 deep, 2 disappear?
Like that black, you know what I'm saying, black and style. Fuck all y'all light skin niggas out there, you dick.
You know I gotta do that light shit up. Man, but fuck, tired of love. I'm sweating brakes, bitch. I love it. So clean.
Ready to hop on a nigga hole. When feel better, watch how you know.
Coming straight out to the door.
Oh, ice on bling, it's cold.
Oh,
wait, no, it froze. Yeah.
You know what it is, you know what it's hitting for, nigga. DJ retarded, special ed DJ. We fuck with my dog Trayl. We about to go hit Winfield, Winsboro, whatever it coming, we coming. I got my big brother, you know, Uyo. Yeah, no, and my shoes on deck, you know what it's hitting for, nigga.
What gets your body in saliva? Hey, me that. Babe, don't worry about him, I got him, whoa. Been it with Prada, need no stylist, it's a dress code. Dressing is stylist and paralysis. I'ma let you ride it while I bite it. Black nigga at the court calendar with a mink coat on. Y'all got a fat ass and some mink coat on.
You know what I'm saying, man. It's too much for you right now. Catch me at all, you know what I'm saying? Catch me turned up. Tedz, Yungy, I got the whole team, Tedz, whole blazing vodka. Ain't nobody fucking with the camp. I'm saying, catch us in the bar all turned up tonight. Slash.
Yeah, but you know, you know, Tedz, funny team,
Put the money, now I'm going back in. No features, don't do features, don't like leeches, and I don't have enough of these liquors, yeah. If Texas love was a drug, I said if Texas love was a drug, hey. If Texas was a drug, hey.
People see that? That's a beautiful window. That's good luck right there. I had to tune back in. Make sure y'all get back in the chips. Best bag of chips ever.
Sell the fuck out. I mean, I wouldn't even be able to keep a pack, you know what I'm saying? How you did that? You can take a ride through the line life. I can take a ride through the wildlife. I can kick game like the Pied Piper. Why sell these sniper? 100 bells in a damn Bible. I got 100 battles and they all idols. I first heard that they all bout it, but these niggas ain't even vitals. These niggas ain't even vitals. I heard they leasing everything they riding in, and all their kids passed down the playpen. Made $1 million, I'm amazing. They were popping collars, I was patient. That's a massive foul, nigga flagrant. Got on hella change like a slave bit, and the matic never contemplated. Nigga gripping tan up the down street. I repeat a banger road, fresh street. Nigga ride tan up the asphalt in a Maserati like the cash dog. When the drought come, bring the bags out. I'm in LA, bring the plan out. Put the monkey bitches looking sad out. Watch a rich nigga, it's your cash out. If Texas love was a drug, I said if Texas love was a drug, hey. If Texas was a drug, hey. If Texas was a drug. I said if Texas love was a drug, I would never give it up. I would go 100 years back. Long as they give me right, long as they give me right, I'ma burn the house down. If Tedz was a drug, if Tedz showed love, I mean, they show love. So if Tedz was a drug, I never share. I want it all in my belly, I want it all in my neck, I want it all in my hair, I want it all in my face, I want it all in my spot, I want it all in my lips, I want to fuck on your thigh, baby.
Both of y'all got on fire. That's how you know shit's real. You already know got Tedz in this bitch. Hit a nigga in his head, he gonna be hurting this bitch. Everybody with Blaze, everybody like with Blaze. I'm with Tedz, everybody. So you already know. Team Tedz, shit. That's what he rapping on. I'm SlimThugga shit. Yeah, Kill Bill shit. Kill Bill, Team Tedz, Blaze, with all that shit. You already know. Dreads, drugs, you already know. Drug man. Young in this bitch. Sure. Who's it go to? You know that go to me. You don't gotta ask. That go to me. Down. Down. Smoking on the blunt, got me gone.
Stop, bitch. Man.
Yeah, bow, boom, shit, bitch.
Before he get on the stage. That bitch do other shit.
DJ, come on, nigga.
You can get a brick. You stupid little bitch. I leave them in the ditch. A lot of dead bodies. I'm smoking on this shit. You see me on the ground. Probably with this bitch. Chillin' with the squad, Blaze in the shits. Yeah, we fucking all the hoes, and these niggas really mad. Me and my niggas, yeah, we green, we smoking on that gas. These niggas know they fake that. Yeah, you already know. It's me and Trayl, we be smoking too. What you say? We gon' rat shit up. Yeah, we with your bitch. He gon' pull that lean, and yeah, she fucking click. Mean, dirty with the dick. Yeah, we killed your team. Blaze with this shit.
Don't sleep on Tedz, what is you doing? I'm on top while y'all pussy boys losing. They said I left a nigga snoozing. 200 up, Blaze boys, it's the movement. Pull up on a nigga, now he need a pepper. Niggas don't smoke that chopper, giving niggas cancer. Goof is moving on the net. Bitch, I'm coming for you fur. Not to leave a nigga cold. Gucci man, make him burn. Them ops claim they with it till we came through clapping. Round of applause, may y'all boys stay active. My niggas dropping threes all on y'all block. Y'all pretty got no shoes. Suppose they got no shoes. 30 shots out this Ruger, bitch. I bet you me look scooter. We be teed up for Broski. Fuck that Twitter beef, cut show. Why some young hoes? Blaze boys, we clutch foes. Get paper cuts from bankrolls. New niggas can't trust those. I sip foes and kick those. If my funds look, if you flex your cash, better keep your glizzy. That red beam come from the semi. Get red paint if you ever tempt me. Squeeze the trigger until it's empty. My niggas drop clips like Walt Disney. Got something with drums, bitch, we clutching Mickey. Been savage since a fucking youngin'. Once I cut that check, bitch, you know I'm thumbing.
You know, God bless us, so you know watch how I do it. Hot.
You know, we did our
Gang
motherfucking
shit,
thing, you know what I'm saying? What the fuck we headed to next? We gonna hit on y'all, you know what I'm saying? Burger Lewis coming up next. Oh, I'm an ugly motherfucker, but I still gonna fuck your hoe. What up?
Bitch, I think the hat on, like when I did the cypher on, bitch was staring at a nigga like I was bald head. You with the hat on, bitch, ugly guy shit. Celebrate. Down, like I'm doing now. Record.
Dabbing. We had Earl and that bitch dabbing on the nigga. We in this bitch. You know what I'm saying? We done killed the motherfucking show.
You got a little picture looking at?
Yeah.
She started dabbing the other shit. On everything?
You lying.
On everything, son?
Lord. The red bitch?
Cause I was standing there, bitch. I was from the same them niggas down bad, bro. If we look at this shit, it's me, you, and Big Chris dancing. And it's on them niggas sitting back right here. Man, y'all know what I'm talking about.
Oh, y'all niggas was sitting there. Oh, y'all niggas.
I was gonna tell my
them niggas wasn't turned up to my shit, man. What happened? How them niggas was?
Right, he was turning up boy and young, I ain't gonna lie. That bit younger said chill.
Man, this nigga out of this fucking mind. This nigga shouldn't be tripping, man.
That bitch was like this.
Turn.
Good bottom.
Just finished my first unit class.
That'll make young seen that who in the back. You know what I'm talking about, huh? The little bitch who was dabbing and shit.
Hey,
when I did that cypher, they saw that nigga that was the two niggas, the black niggas that had the red that boy seen that nigga
Cool, you know what I'm saying? That
boy like this.
Hysterical. We ain't fucking Winfield.
I had to, and then you came from high school.
They was expecting some hard shit from me. They was like, put in your bitch and I go. So, man, you gotta shock the world with the new shit. You can't be doing the same shit everybody else be trying to fucking do. You understand what the fuck I'm saying? You dig what the fuck I'm saying? You smell what the fuck I'm saying? You look what the fuck we doing now.
Do you see what we mean, man? This BAM in the team, man.